Here's a pair of the Sony LinkBuds clip earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense smart TV via Bluetooth. Now this is the Hisense TV that has Google TV. First thing is, let's put these earbuds into pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in the case. Let me open this up. We'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking blue, 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 blue. But I get a solid green light here, and then it turns off. No problem. So for me, let me just manually put this in a pairing mode. There's a button here on the back of the case. I'm going to press and hold that button and wait till it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. So button here, press and hold, keep holding, wait like 6 seconds, just wait till it blinks blue, blue, still holding. Wait, blue, 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 blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our TV. You want to go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button in your remote, or you can navigate, go to the home page, click on the home button in your remote, and then we can navigate to the gear icon on the top right hand side. So let me move on over, and then make sure all settings is highlighted there. Select on OK on the remote. Now on the left pane here, what we want to do is we want to go down to remotes and accessories. Okay, that. And then we want to move over to the right here. Now, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then we're going to go down here to pair, go down one to pair accessory, and then select that. Oh, it didn't work. There we go. Okay, now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range near me, okay? So it's still blinking blue, blue. It's still in pairing mode. Now we just have to wait for it to find it. There we go. So let's go and highlight it. Let me go down to the LinkBuds. Select it. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request. And go ahead and pair. It says connecting, and this blue blinking light will stop as soon as it's connected. Okay, so it's connected, and it also says connected down here as well. So there you go. We are currently connected to this TV. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these buds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.